History is full of secrets, and even the most legendary figures have hidden stories that few people know about. From government surveillance to secret inventions, these facts will completely change how you see history's most iconic figures. Did you know Albert Einstein was secretly tracked by the FBI for 20 years? Or that Leonardo da Vinci deliberately sabotaged his own war machines? Stay with us, because the last fact is truly unbelievable. If you love discovering hidden history, hit like and subscribe for more incredible facts.
Albert Einstein, the genius behind the theory of relativity, was secretly tracked by the FBI for over 20 years.
Why?
The US government feared he had connections to communist groups and considered him a national security threat. His FBI file was a shocking 1,427 pages long and even contained wild accusations, like claims he was building a death ray. Einstein openly mocked the surveillance, once saying, "I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious." Despite years of investigation, no wrongdoing was ever found. But this raises the question, why was the world's greatest scientist being watched so closely? What do you think? Let us know in the comments.
Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors of all time, claimed he created a death ray that could destroy aircraft from miles away. In the 1930s, Tesla revealed he had built the Teleforce weapon, a particle beam that could bring down entire armies. He tried to sell the design to multiple governments, but they dismissed it as impossible, or so they claimed. Then, after Tesla's death in 1943, the FBI seized all of his documents, and the blueprint for the so-called death ray mysteriously disappeared. Was Tesla's invention real? And if so, did the US secretly develop his weapon? Let us know in the comments.
Leonardo da Vinci, one of history's greatest minds, designed some of the most advanced war machines of his time. But did you know he deliberately sabotaged them? Though he worked for powerful rulers, Da Vinci was a pacifist and feared his inventions would be used for destruction. He designed tanks, machine guns, and even a scuba suit, but built flaws into the designs to ensure they wouldn't function properly. Centuries later, modern engineers rebuilt some of his failed designs, and they worked. This proves Da Vinci was capable of creating real weapons, but chose to keep them unusable. Was he protecting the world from deadly technology, or was he just ahead of his time? Let us know in the comments.
Napoleon Bonaparte, history's most famous short guy, wasn't actually short at all. For centuries, people believed Napoleon was tiny, but he was actually 5 feet 7 inches, 1.69 meters, average height for his time. So how did the myth start? British propaganda exaggerated his shortness to mock his ambitions. His personal bodyguards were exceptionally tall, making him appear smaller in comparison. The term Napoleon complex, which describes short men overcompensating with power, was actually based on a lie. Was this just a clever way to undermine a powerful leader, or was Napoleon truly insecure about his height? Let us know in the comments. Before she was a Hollywood icon, Marilyn Monroe helped develop military technology. During World War II, Monroe, then Norma Jean Baker, worked at the Radioplane Company, a factory that built military drones and radar systems. She assembled drone components, helping the US war effort. A photographer noticed her and took some war effort photos, which led to her modeling career. If she had never worked at the factory, she might never have become a star. Did you know Marilyn Monroe had a secret connection to military technology? Let us know in the comments. Did Winston Churchill cover up UFO sightings to prevent mass panic? During World War II, Royal Air Force pilots reported mysterious flying objects that defied physics. When Churchill learned about these reports, he allegedly said, "This must never be revealed to the public." He ordered the documents to be classified for 50 years. The UK Ministry of Defense later declassified some UFO files, but many documents are still missing. Was Churchill protecting national security or hiding something bigger? Let us know in the comments. Did Mozart predict his own death? Just weeks before he died at 35, Mozart told his wife he was being poisoned. His symptoms matched mercury poisoning, and rumors spread that his rival, Antonio Salieri, was behind it. Mozart claimed he was being slowly poisoned by an unknown enemy. Some believe he was targeted for his controversial work or secret society ties. Officially, he died of fever, but the true cause remains unknown. Was Mozart's death a tragic illness or a hidden assassination? Let us know in the comments.
History is filled with shocking secrets that most people never hear about. From Einstein's FBI surveillance to Mozart's mysterious death, these stories reveal a hidden side of history that will change how you see these famous figures forever. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you love discovering hidden history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible facts.